So friends, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So after a long time, I'm creating a new video in my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to compress the photo size in Microsoft Word, or how can you decrease the picture size in Microsoft Word. So it is too much easy. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, now you can see I have a one photo here. Okay, so this is my photo. And so if I right click here and if I click in the properties, so now we can see here the photo size is 1.30 MB. Okay, and this is in the JPEG. And so if I want to compress, or if I want to decrease the photo size, then just you have to come here in the Microsoft Word. Then you have to go in the insert. Okay, and after that just you have to click in the picture and you have to select your photo. I'm selecting my photo and I'm clicking in the insert. So after that, so your photo came inside your Microsoft Word, and you have to click in the compress picture. And now you can see there are various options available: print 220 ppi and wave 150 ppi. Okay, so if you want to make it too much small size, then just you have to select the email 96 ppi. Otherwise, if you want to use a good quality, then in that case you have to use the wave or 150 ppi. Otherwise, you can select the 220 ppi also. You have to remember that one, when you are decreasing the ppi, it means the photo size also decreasing. You have to remember that one. So in this time I am just using the email, that is 96 ppi. Okay, then just you have to click in the OK. And again, now you have to save this photo. So just right click here and save as a picture, and I am selecting the photo. I'm just giving the compress. Okay, and I am just clicking in the save. So I'm just going to inside my folder. So now we can see this was the compressed picture, right? So if I right click here and if I click in the properties, now you can see the photo size is the 67.1 KB. Before, the original photo size was the 1 MB, right? 1.5 MB, right? So in this way you can compress the photo size, or you can decrease the photo size in Microsoft Word. Thank you so much.